All right, here's part two. Let's find a missing coordinate. So in this example, it says we have a parallelogram. So you know for sure you have a parallelogram called DEFG. And the vertices of the coordinates of DEF are given, but we want to know what must be the coordinates for G. So let me start by plotting the points that I do know, and let's think about what we know about parallelograms. Okay, so I plotted the points D, E, and F, and I connected those 3 points, but I did not draw the connect from D to F because I want to find where G has to go. Now, I also drew myself a quick little visual of like, if I have a parallelogram D, E, F, G, then I should have a shape that has opposite sides that are parallel, has all opposite sides that are congruent, and so on like that. So just base that, like just drew a quick little sketch to know if this side is parallel to this side, and then of course the left side is parallel to the right side. Then I want to think about how I can take these parallel lines and figure out where point G would have to go. So I am going to kind of use the idea of slope to find where the segment DG would have to be. So if I go back here and let me draw a line that goes from point F to point E. But see, what I'm going to do is I'm going to count how far up I have to go and how far to the right I have to go to get from point F to point E. So that distance is I have to go 2 up and to the left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I got to go up to left 5 to get from F to E. Now I'm going to do the opposite over here. I want to go from D to G, so I'm going to go to the right 5 and down 2 to get to that point. So if I go right 5, I'll be here, and if I go down 2, I'll be here. So this point right here is where I think point G should go. All right, so let's see if we can do that with our shape. So if I add in this segment from here to here, did I in fact create a parallelogram? Well, since the opposite sides are parallel, then I would say yes, I think I did. So what exactly are the coordinates for G? Let me use my drawing tool here, and I'll say that the point G has to be the point -3, +1. And that should be the answer to my question. Okay, so finding a missing coordinate where I have to kind of like use the properties that I know about parallelograms along with these coordinate geometry tools like slope to find what was missing. That's all.